Hello again, my friends. Welcome back to another episode of Rambling Car Guy. Afraid to say, but it's true. So, we are in ICON FJ number 131. It is a 1972 model, and it came out quite lovely. It's a color we're starting to see an increase in popularity called Pacific Blue. Back in the day, we had just the slate blue, and we added this, I don't know, earlier this year, maybe late last year. It is running the ICON front bull bar with the Warren winch with the Viking hardware upgrades and a synthetic winch line. In the rear, we have the ICON dual carrier rear bumper system with class 2 receiver, and it also has the integrated camera in that rear bumper. Front and rear aux lighting options are here. The new ICON branded headlights with the LED glow rings for turn signals, which by the way we sell on the site. They're quite nifty. We have the updated Gen 3 ICON rear view mirrors. We have the AMP Research power steps on all 4 doors. And we have a roof rack, straightforward roof rack with no extruded floor or anything funky, no variations this time. On the inside, we are running the Chilowich upholstery, which is a lovely option. And then we have the seat heaters in the first and second row seats. And back there in the third row this time, we are running the ICON jump seats. So that brings your seating capacity up to a total of 6. We are running the door map pockets as well as the cargo map pockets, which are a nifty little option. We are running the ICON fire extinguisher, the sport pedals, and we're running the higher end audio system with amp and bass and focal K2 speakers. And the updated ICON stainless steel center console, of course. Another shameless plug, hopefully my last. That is available on the website and quite popular. Fits a wide variety of vehicles and has a lot more thought in it than the other steel consoles on the market. We are running the 6.2 LS3 aluminum fuel injected General Motors V8. It's roughly 420 horse, 450 horses. That in turn is sending power through to the GM 4L65E automatic, which kicks the power out to the Atlas 2 twin stick shift on the fly part-time 4-wheel drive transfer case. Axles are Dynatracks, so we're running the Dynatrac Pro Rock high pinion in the rear, and we are running the ICON specific Pro Rock based Dana 44 in the front with the fine spline axles and all possible upgrades. ARB locking differentials can be found in the center of those axles, and on the outer corners you will find the ICON Brembo brakes. That's Hydro Boost powered brake system. One other thing, we've been running those power tanks now for a couple of years, and they're a really nice product, but sometimes clients geek out about, oh no, where am I going to refill it? And it takes up a little bit more room in the cabin. So we are now deleting that option and switching over to a dedicated air compressor option, which this truck has. You'll notice it is quite cleverly fit behind the heat shield in the rear quarter on the driver's side. There you go. I shall shut my pie hole now. However, I will thank you for taking the time to watch yet another one of these videos. Should you have any questions, you're welcome to reach out to us old school at 818-280-3333. Also becoming old school for many. The website is simply icon4x4.com. Instagram, Facebook, icon4x4, and good old Twitter, I think it's Icon Design. I don't know. Have a good day.